wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best carbon steel woks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, ideal for large families, the King Cooker 18WK is designed for cooking with a standalone burner, though it will also work on some high-end gas stoves. It comes coated with a highly protective industrial oil that you'll need mineral spirits to remove. It's equipped with 4 rivets per handle, however the rim can be sharp and it's not particularly thick. At number 9, a hybrid of Eastern and Western styles, the Debye Mineral B is manufactured in France and has an offset, slightly curved grip for easy maneuvering. It's considerably thicker than most others and is oven-safe due to its all-metal construction. It's equipped with high-quality rivets and built to last a lifetime, but it is costly for its size. Coming in at number 8 on our list, measuring 22 inches, the town food service Cantonese can feed an impressive number of people, although it's probably too big for some home kitchens. Its cold-forged alloy and sturdy welded construction ensure it won't break even after years of cooking. It's roughly 6 inches deep and made from highly rigid metal. However, it requires a special burner. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for carbon steel woks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, available in 14 or 16 inches, the MV Trading PAL has a round bottom that works best for classic Chinese cuisine. It isn't the most durable or best looking choice, but it's relatively affordable for the size. It's handmade in China and the grip won't get hot, but it doesn't have a helper handle. Moving up our list to number 6, crafted from a single piece of metal 1.8mm thick, the mecete 5th generation is good looking and durable enough to last a lifetime with proper care. It works best on a high BTU burner and can accommodate meals for several people. It's covered in helpful hammer dimples and weighs about 5 pounds. However, it is relatively expensive. Halfway up our list at number 5, about as simple as they come, the town food service Peking has a reasonably light weight, so it shouldn't be too hard to toss the contents, and a reliable welded handle that's shorter than most, which helps make a crowded stove relatively easy to navigate. It's cold forged for durability and comes in at a budget-friendly price, but it does require a towel or pot holder. At number 4, the dimples and crevices on the souped-up recipe's flat bottom help to draw juices away from food to aid with searing meat, deglazing, and mixing a pan sauce. This particular model is shaped just right so it sits on a home stove without sacrificing conductivity. It develops a patina well and includes a stained wooden lid and detailed seasoning instructions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, at 2mm, the MV Trading CSWK16RB is thicker than most others, allowing it to conduct heat especially well and cook food quickly. It is somewhat heavy, but a pair of handles with thick wooden grips makes it easy to move around. It sports a traditional round bottom and a plated steel ring. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for carbon steel woks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you can't use a traditional burner, the Helen Chen's Asian Kitchen 97005 might be your best option due to its flat bottom that should rest properly on most home gas stoves. It measures 14 inches across and comes with a domed lid and a wooden spatula. It's equipped with heat-resistant bamboo handles and comes as a non-stick Model 2. It's also available in 12 inches. And coming in at number 1 on our list, hand-hammered by professionals in the Chinese city of Guangzhou, the Craft Wok 731W88 is a classic PAL-style option with reliable rivets, a wooden grip that's treated for traction, a metal helper loop, and the perfect curvature for ideal heat distribution. It's 14 inches across and made from 15-gauge steel. The handle comes off for oven seasoning. Our Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for carbon steel woks, or simply click beneath this video.